Hi parents, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is something every mom and dad faces. When your little one says, "No, I don't want to eat." It's one of the most common and stressful moments of parenting. But don't worry. Today, I'll share gentle and practical ways to help your kids eat better, without pressure, shouting, or tears. Why kids say no. Before we fix the problem, we need to understand it. Kids say no to food for many reasons. Sometimes they're genuinely not hungry. Sometimes they're tired, distracted, or bored. Sometimes they want control. Saying no gives them power. And sometimes they just don't like how the food looks or smells. When we understand the reason, we can respond with calm instead of frustration. Stay calm. Don't force. Feed. When our child refuses to eat, it's easy to get upset. But forcing or bribing only makes them dislike food more. Instead, take a deep breath and say calmly, "That's okay. You can try it later." Would you like a small bite or a big bite? You don't have to finish it, just taste it. This keeps the atmosphere peaceful, and kids often come back to eat on their own. Make mealtime fun. Turn eating into something they look forward to. Let them help. Ask, "Should we add cheese or sauce?" Serve food in fun shapes or colorful plates. Play soft background music or tell stories while eating. When mealtime feels like connection, not pressure, kids naturally eat better. Set a routine. Kids feel safe with routine. Serve meals and snacks at the same times every day. If they skip a meal, don't worry. Just wait for the next one. Avoid giving too many snacks or milk before meals so they come to the table hungry. Be a role model. Children learn by watching us. If they see us enjoying food, they'll copy. Sit together, eat slowly, and talk happily. Show them that mealtime is about family, not fights. Remember, they're learning from your energy more than your words. At end of this about, I will suggest you that parenting isn't about making kids eat. It's about teaching them to listen to their body and enjoy healthy food. Stay patient, stay positive, and celebrate small wins. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real parenting moments and gentle tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.